So I got a construction going on there in the neighborhood. You can see there. And here's a crazy idea. I've got all of these adapters. So this is like 2x M42 adapter, and this is 200mm lens, also manual. And this is M42 to FX adapter, and of course my Fuji X-M5. So what if I combine all of this, and this should give me 200, then 2x, it's 400, 1.5 crop. I should be getting 600mm. So here's the setup. It's obviously too big for this Fuji X-M5 body, but let's see. I've set the focus off camera. Okay. Yeah, look at this beautiful sunset going on there. Here's the photos.